Ikaw nga muna humawak. Taas mo. Tsaka muna, yan, sige. O, huwag ka alis dyan. Today is March 19, 2026, Solemnity of Saint Joseph. Saint Joseph of Quezon City. We are very grateful to Mayor Joy Belmonte that her sacred prophetic office agreed to adopt Saint Joseph as San Jose de Quezon City. Since actually the entire Quezon City envisioned by President Manuel L. Quezon to be the seat of all the government agencies. Now, here, the lovely, very generous staff, number one who welcomed me and greeted me and helped me is Elaine Taruela. Now, Teruel.
Sir Jumel Balanta.
At kayo?
Gloria Olero.
Okay. Quezon Memorial Circle Administration Office. I am very grateful to you, dear staff, because I know it was declared you can work from home. I contacted Elaine, can you please wait for me? So, St. Joseph is very grateful to you. St. Joseph, bless the entire Quezon City Administration. Quezon City Circle Administration Office. Amen.